Assalamu alaikum. My beloved students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine by the kindness of Allah the Exalted. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Wahid Noor, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School District. Today I am going to conduct the class of Islamic Studies for class 9. And today our topic is Chapter 1, Lesson 1, Discussion, and lecture number 1. My beloved students, this is the new session and you are the first batch who are already going to attend the SSC in this school, NIEVS. So you have to be very careful from the first day, from the first lecture. And today we will discuss about Islam from this book. I know you didn't get the book, but we will discuss from this book. When you will get the book, then you can understand what I am discussing. So let's start. First of all, I will discuss from chapter 1, Aqaid and Moral Life, and lesson 1 is from there, Islam. So I collected from there, from lesson 1, some important point. First of all, Aqaid is the plural form of Aqidah. My beloved students, see here, I written the singular form Aqidatun, and from there the plural form came Aqaidun. So Aqidatun is singular and Aqaidun is plural. So why here use the Aqaidun, I mean plural form? Because there is not only the one belief thing, one faith, one belief related to the Almighty Allah. Not only that, there are more aspects, there are more matters which we have to believe. For example, believe to the Almighty Allah, Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Akhirat, Taqdeer, Asmani Kitab, etc. So there is the belief shell. That's why we are used the Aqaidun. Aqaid consists of two aspects. I didn't write there. Two aspects consist. I mean, Aqaid created by two forms. First one is belief and second one is performing. So first one is belief, that already I told you, belief to the Almighty Allah, Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, etc. And second one is, according to that belief, you have to perform, you have to conduct your life. For example, you have to perform the Salat, Saum, Hajj, Zakat, and etc. So two activities are there. Now come the third point, that is lesson 1. There is the discussion about the Islam. So Islam means, this is the word meaning, to obey, surrender, and treat the path of peace. Now the definition can be here: obedience to the commands of Allah and His Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is called Islam. I hope you understood. This point is related to the word meaning and this point is the definition. The final and perfect shape of Sharia is Islam. So regarding this, Almighty Allah is saying about the Islam, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, inna dina indallahi al-Islam. In Surah Al-Imran, ayat number 19, you will get that. My beloved students, if you find in your life any of the sector, you will get that in the Islam. All are related to the Islam. For example, the political life, the social life, the family life, the economical life, everywhere there is the Islam. Islam is not only congested in the mosque. Islam is not only congesting thing in the madrasa, in the beard type of persons. Islam is everywhere. Then you can say, I am the Muslim, we are the Muslim. So where from the Muslim word is coming? Because if you see there, this point, the word Islam is derived from the verb root silmun. It means silmun is the main word. From there came the Islam, or from there came the Muslim, from there came the Islam, or or the another word. Now, one who lives his life according to Islam is called a Muslim or Musulman. Already we said, Almighty Allah has chosen for us Islam as a code of conduct. So regarding this, Almighty Allah is saying, Al-yawma akmaltu lakum dinakum wa atmamtu alaykum ni'mati wa raditu lakum al-Islam dinan. Surah Al-Ma'idah ayat number 3, Almighty Allah said it. So Islam is called the religion of peace. My beloved students, if we follow Islam properly, then hopefully we are sure Almighty Allah will grace upon us, Almighty Allah will benevolent upon us, then we will get the peace. Why we are not getting the peace? Because we are not following the Islam correctly, perfectly. There is some lackings. That's why we are not getting the peace. So because Almighty Allah is selected Islam for us, the code of life, the code of conduct, and Almighty Allah's words is always true. Students, now importance of Islamic learning. I mean, why we will learn the Islam? To learn swimming, one has to go to know what swimming is, how to swim, etc. Driving a vehicle, the knowledge about that vehicle is important. By knowing Islam, we should learn how to worship and obey the Almighty Allah. We should also learn how to attain paradise and redemption from the hell in our next life. Students, if you want to swim in the water, then you have to know how to swim. What is swimming? Then you can swim. Or if you want to drive any vehicle, then you have to know how to drive that vehicle. Otherwise, you cannot conduct that vehicle. So same as if you want to learn about the Islam, then if you want to know about the Islam, you have to obey the Almighty Allah's order. You have to follow the rules and regulations of Islamic Sharia. Then you will get peace in this life, and also you can be released, you can get the salvation from the next life, from the hell. So that's all for today, my dear students. I hope you understood. Keep practicing at home, and when you will get the book, then you will read this lesson again and again. Inshallah, you can understand.